In this video, we find the turning points of a rational function. Ready? Let's find the turning points of the function y equals x plus 3 over x squared plus 3. A function has a turning point where the gradient is 0. I can already see two potential points, and we are going to use calculus to find them. For that, we differentiate the rational function using the quotient rule. We multiply the derivative of the top, 1, times the bottom, x squared plus 3, minus the top, x plus 3, times the derivative of the bottom, 2x, all divided by the square of the bottom. If we want to make this equal 0, we just need to make the numerator 0. This leads to x squared plus 3 minus 2x squared minus 6x equals 0. Writing the quadratic in descending order, a equals 1, b equals 6, and c equals negative 3. We can now use the quadratic formula, and this results in two solutions, negative 6.46 and 0.464, the x coordinates of our two turning points. To figure out the y-coordinate of each point, we simply substitute these two values into the original function, the two turning points of our rational function. Quadratics are very important. Master quadratic equations step by step. Visit mathsadviceonyourdevice.com for more details.